Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pi, Sapit Kmi.
Meghalaya Police East Khasi Hills District ringkat kajinga trailang berkat Tulba Mynta kesngik arpoi terik jeliu kala penlong ya kajinga bike rally kabalas dang naduk mauyong ISPT syaduk madan yo ringham kum kadak ban pinsngau thu pat ba ya kajing sniu kabau Drok ula banwan ra hakate kajinga lang la penlong shwa kajinga lang belingkot la penyat da Mike Joel Marngar Deputy SP Traffic East Khasi Hills hakane kesngi lai shim bentalang da SP S Nongdih SP East Khasi Hills USP Traffic Shalender Banania but additional SP Traffic ba Yan O Swear uba ai talang uba Deiru Joint Director jangka Social Welfare but kiwi ki he pulit lembat ki dekhot ka Tulba Habai jinkren u President ka Tulba u Seibor lingdo nonglan ulaong ba Mynshuwa ki breu ki Tieng ki Nongdih Kyaid Henry Mynta Kham Sngewtieng yu Nongdih Drok namar onda la kirni lasdang sa katu ka thim namar bamla penbyang
Trafficking on the 26th of June, we, the East Khasi Hills District Police, along with the Ultimate Legends Bikers Association, Tulba, would like to bring to the notice of the citizens regarding the dangerous effects of drug abuse, its prevention, and how it is affecting our youth and the society as a whole. Not many know, but drug abuse and mental health go hand in hand. That is, addicted persons are not only putting their health at stake, but are also giving rise to severe mental issues and consequently may even cause death. The number of drug users in Shillong City is rising rapidly, and if we don't act now, then we can never do it in the future. As a responsible citizen of the country, let us all join hands in fighting against this war on drugs. Dear friends, remember that drug has the power to take away all the good things we have in our lives and ultimately our life. Don't let that happen. Also, resorting to drugs is the biggest mistake you can make in your life. So let's have faith in ourselves and embrace life and not drugs to have a successful, blessed and happy life ahead. Thank you. Not many know, but drug abuse and mental health go hand in hand. That is, addicted persons are not only putting their health at stake, but are also giving rise to severe mental issues and consequences. We have your attention please. Towards observing the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on the 26th of June, we, the East Khasi Hills District Police, along with the Ultimate Legends Bikers Association, Tulba, would like to bring to the notice of the citizens regarding the dangerous effects of drug abuse, its prevention, and how it is affecting our youth and the society as a whole. Not many know, but drug abuse and mental health go hand in hand. That is, addicted persons are not only putting their health at stake, but are also giving rise to severe mental issues and consequently may even cause death. The number of drug users in Shillong City is rising rapidly, and if we don't act now, then we can never do it in the the future. As a responsible citizen of the country, let us all join Bikers Association, Tulba, would like to bring to the notice of the citizens regarding the dangerous effects of drug abuse, its prevention, and how it is affecting our youth and
International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on the 26th. It is to all of us to understand the meaning of drug addiction, drug abuse. I hope all of you are aware, many of our youth, especially in Shillong, it has gone up from maybe a single digit a decade ago. But if you see now, most of our youth have fallen prey into it. Let us all stand together, fight for this drug abuse.
26th of the June is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. And today, with the collaboration of Tulba District Administration, Social Welfare Department, we have conducted this bike rally to create awareness among the public that everyone should be aware about the bad effect of the drugs. And today our youth, they are very much indulged in this illicit use of this drug abuse, and many of the youth, they have lost their lives, and our society also, many have family destroyed already. And as a series of awareness campaign that will be culminating on 26th of this June, our police department is conducting various awareness programs. This is one of the program in the series. And today we choose this program, and this entire highway you have conducted rally despite the rain. And with police department, we would like to thank Tulba Bikers and their president and their secretary, and all the bikers, those who have come along the way despite the heavy rain. Our additional SP traffic, DYSP traffic, our SP Sir Sylvester, currently he is not here, but he with the flag he started the rally, and our particularly Mawlai and Limekar traffic, those despite the rain, they conducted all the arrangement for a smooth flow of the traffic. And now all the media, despite the rain, they are here. We would like to thank all the media people also for covering this coverage of this program. And our message to all the public is that say no to drugs, and create awareness, and help those people who are already indulged in those activities, so that there are many rehabilitation centers in Shillong and all across the Meghalaya, and whatever the counseling they needed, they should go to the respective department. They should help the police, and whatever the help needed, it will be provided by the district administration, police, social welfare department, and by all the concerned department. But spread the message that drugs are not only destroy the person, but entire family being destroyed. Okay, I will say all these few words, and final message: say no to drugs. Thank you so much to all of you.
Ama giseng bat Kham police department ki bale ya simata kane ngis Kham da kajing terlang jongi baro ya kane ka jing sniu ngimla male marway kumbala kren mene ngi debram jing teli gila berat da khong ni kane te nakaliang jo ke department social welfare ni kular bane telang bat pi baro bat giseng balang bat ki rang bat snong ki ru bat Kham ke police department baknam ngi la persa ya kane ka jing sniu bodan na kastit jongi tangkini ku ni cibon.
Mr. Shalendra Talang, Joint Director of Social Welfare, Bajan Square, members of all the Tulba, our police personnel officers, then friends from media, both print and who are here with us. On this occasion, we are really happy to see so many participants. We thought that maybe below 10 or 20, but then it's really encouraging to see all of you from Tulba members, and of course from our own department. As you all know, 26th June is an International Day against the drugs all over the world they observe. So today what we are doing is in collaboration with the Tulba members, with the social welfare, we organize this rally that is fight against the drug abuse and illicit trafficking. Drug abuse is really bad in our state. The NDPS case is increasing every year, particularly in Shillong City. So police alone, we can't eradicate totally. That is why we organize this rally to spread the message that the evil of this drugs is really bad and hit us, especially the young and the youth who are unemployed. So the purpose of this rally is that to spread the message that to say no to the drugs. Drugs does not ruin only the drug user, but also it ruins the family members, the society, the neighbor, and particularly their parents. Drug users, they resort to theft, they resort to enter the houses of others to steal these not just to afford themselves to buy drugs. And this definitely will affect the economy of the parents. Parents are really hit hard because perhaps those are using drugs, they keep on asking money from parents and so on. So this day, this is part of our campaign to say no to the drugs, to eradicate the menace of the drug in our state. So let us join hands together, not only police alone, as we said earlier, we cannot really eradicate totally. Only with the joint hand of all of you, all the publics, all the parents, and the friends of the Shillong City and others also, if we join hands together, I'm very sure we can reduce or eradicate the menace of these drugs. So as we go our rally from here up to Yaronghet, I'm very sure it will be meaningful and spread our message that no to the drugs. So once again, I thank all the Tulba members, all the press who are here, Talang and all our officers who are here together. We are fighting for the same cause, though we are from the different department, but together with public, we'll keep on going, we'll fight to eradicate this the menace with drugs. So let us say together, no to the drugs. Say no to the drugs. Okay, thank you once again. I wish all the rally, all the best. We'll go slowly and Makjol Manga will explain you how to go about so that we can wind up this meaningful rally.
And all the official of the traffic branch. Nikong nisha ma play kini kiba ai bai shim ta lang kiba ai la jingi ru na ka seng Tulba banjita menta hani ki na ka SP jo police traffic police department jo ka is kasil bar ka social welfare ka bai don dekat lang hani te na ka liang ka Tulba ka ai play ya ka ne ka is kasil police department ka pala shim ke ni jam berpelong ya ka ne ka jingkmi ya ka international day against drug abuse and illicit trafficking ya kan ni la pendra da ka United Nations nadu khundai nadu khakdai spa rapinyo bat ni sele hadu menta kiski da ka jingsim menta ba ka jingsim jingmenjor lang jong bar khoi kiri ka parthai bat nga ka jingthu jong ka ni kalong komdo ban khang persya ya kicim penon kam pakla yo drok bat ban dia lakam ya kata kajing salan bian yo drok ban ngit kam bagane kam sulong tang karong phong ne ban pedap ya program handai ka dandu kajing bun ban rak ting hong nadu tolong ya kajing sniu ko bami do drok maong bau drok udai nong chun bakha sam ya ke em lang salang upenchat ya ki ying ki long ying long sem upen kala nong tu ya kina balului tang ban yo thiet drok bang ong husia pai ta na ka jingma jong drok bang yin ong bang yim dei ngin long bra hu drok namat haba philama di drok kem na lai nga ju yi khna anda kilama di drok lah tang man kerni anda la kerni kwa malaki komta dang kam pisa kim hun sho tang ka pisa bayo na kemi ndai kisang manuti balito na kitliwing pat poiru ban syakem hakasnong hakipulet yo ka blak rima kata ka jing puli kata ka yo kam yo jam om tang ta ka ba so sun ei ba sang sot de kata saka shong kha shong man na ka jing pang ka ba mi no drop ban ngong ba de ning a kan tu na do ki khna ki samla ki rang ba kan thai sing rang ba ngin ong em ba yo drop na do ba sang sen ba phila ma phila ngop bai ha ban laj na ka jing khrum mau trong drok dei na Mynshuwa ngi Sngewtieng yau nong wai namar anda ubriu la puai usang meliak keluar dalam liak keluar poi ka jing shoi tan poi shadu ka jing sao poi shadu ka jing yap ha ka juk Mynta wan so drok upa kham cher khai na ba cher khai tam uni pat habau Nongdih drok balakrni salia ban liak kanu kambat lai pujan kambaman dang banyo di drok ban thi drok anda la yo drok pan lah dang mong jajai PE ka jing apher Nongdih drok bat Nongdih kya đểเราnhìn ông về na tôi bắt rằng bằng nhầm đây bằng mát thì không đẹp đâu bằng nhầm đây bằng bộ phải chỉnh một nắm mà bà uneu ulong ubas neu na bas neu tam ngang chu kan mau ki mi ki pa ki chu wan ot ki chu yam ki ông bà cái riêng trong ni kan long ka bedom nắm mà beliau ki ông bà ni don Nongdih drok kam don chu ka ching suk kam don chu ka ching kemen ki ông ni khap sna ki ching chang man ki tliu ki man ki kam ra namar bang ting yo phun yo tu ki tiam na yeng balit dia tang menyo thi drok haduk kini ki put ke pai ka ai ka dau ka pa pelong ye kini ki jingja kin wan hapo le chop hapo kari jongi namar bangem dan chu kapor ban sedeng ban krawi kun kiti haba dan kam e ki kun isu ai be ka pisa ka jing tu nano ka jing e jom ki me pa ka pelong yi kun ban kin sakma ka pa arpan namar ki kena Mynta ki sang ban pertu buat ya kata ke rong pong ne ka lifestyle jom ki western countries kumba ki kumba i hapot TV ki lelun kim tep ya lade ki ngat halu lem ki penjab senda di gajing em lajong bat kalai pat balai namar basen jora ka an ni kentu ya ki nong mi khmat mo ba ni don ka NPDS act bat kani la don kamat amen kumba ya amen ya ka motor vehicle act PE ka jing her sipun ya ka accidental death rate ka jing yap ha ka jing accident kila i kham duna kum juru tadi ben amen kerta di MP jong Lok Sabha ban Raja Sabha kendra alang sa parlimen ban amen no ya kan ka ai khanang ban perking kinong di bat kinong salang te om tang ta nyem dei ban kena iwei hendrai Mynta pan ha ka pa Mynta ni don kam ka jing trai lang jong ki kmi kpa jong ka snong ka thau jong ki seng halang jong ka balang jong ka police department bat ka sarkar la dangi trai lang bat ni scam bang salah ban penduk jan yo drok na ka jela jong ni